Hi guys, this is Andres from Graphic Bible, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to make this rainbow illustration in less than 5 minutes. So we're gonna use the curvature tool, and also we're gonna work with gradients on Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I have here my template, and we're gonna start tracing the big one first. So all this shape first, and we're gonna use the curvature tool for that. So I'm gonna grab this orange color, and if you click here in these two arrows, you can change the fill color to stroke color. And we're gonna start tracing, so you're gonna grab it from the left menu up here, and we're gonna start tracing all the. And if you don't know how to use the curvature tool, I have a tutorial, so I will link it up here or at the end in the description, so make sure to check it out. Okay, so let's start. So you're gonna click and then hold down shift, so you're gonna make a perfect line, otherwise you will create a curve like this one, and you don't want that for this case. And you want to double click the last point so it won't move the curve, and then we can continue with the curve. It doesn't have to be perfect at this moment, because we can fix that at the end, but just start creating random points following the path. And as I said before, we can fix it at the end. So we're gonna double click this point as well, so it will create a perfect line, holding down shift again, and double click that point as well. And we close the path, double clicking again. So in order to fix the path, so you're gonna click and drag the points using the curvature tool. So let me fix this one as well. Put it down. Now I'm gonna create another point. Just clicking. I think this is good for now. So I'm just gonna move for the next step. Okay, so I changed the stroke color so you guys can see better what's going on. But we want to do the same with the other lines. So you're gonna use the curvature tool and start tracing along the path. And I'm gonna speed up this process because it's a little bit tedious. So you're gonna see at the end. Okay guys, as soon as you're happy with the shapes, you're gonna select them. I'm gonna choose a color, so in this case I'm gonna use the orange with the eyedropper, and then you're gonna go to the Pathfinder menu and choose divide. So what will this do is divide all the shapes, so you're gonna select all the ones that you don't need. So in this case, this one's down here, and the one in the middle. With the direct selection tool, press delete on your keyboard, and we don't need this one as well. So as you can see, you have all the shapes there. Now we're gonna play with the gradients. So let me grab this panel up here so you guys can see better. And we're gonna start playing with the colors. And if you don't know how to use the gradient tool, I have a tutorial as well. I will link it here. But it's pretty easy. You just grab the color and drag it down to this bar. And let me choose the second color. So I'm gonna use two colors for this example. So orange and red. So let me delete this one. So just click and drag down. I will delete them. And if you press G on your keyboard, you will be able to adjust the direction of your gradient. So in this case, I'm gonna grab from top to the bottom. And if you want to reverse the colors, you just click here, this button, and it will change the colors. so it's pretty handy. Okay, for the next step, I'm gonna grab the yellow and drag it down to this bar, and I'm gonna delete the red. So I have orange and yellow, and you're gonna repeat the same process with the other colors. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and thumbs up. Take care, see you in the next video.